welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to back up or recover social media accounts if they are being compromised. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if your social media account is compromised, you must act quickly to ensure your account and personal information are safe. So the general process involves changing your password, alerting the contacts, and reporting the compromise to the platform. Use proactive backups by to also help you restore your lost data. So what can you do for immediate recovery steps? You can first of all change your password immediately and enable two-factor authentication. Then you can end all the active sessions like logging out from all the devices and review your linked third-party apps. You can also go and email the particular social media handle to notify your contacts and scan your device as it might have some malwares or virus. So if you're logged out, you can also use the forgot password link and recover it. And you can also follow the recovery instructions provided by the help section of that particular social media account, or you can also report the hacked account and verify your identity. So this is how you can recover or back up social media accounts if compromised. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.